TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials right now up 184. You get the Nasdaq up 39. S&Ps are up 18.5. Gold contract up $7, trading at $1,146 an ounce. Silver up 1 penny at $15.14 an ounce. Platinum is down 7 at $9.47 an ounce. You get copper down a penny at $2.25 a pound. Light sweet crude's up $1 at $45.95. Bonds, 10-year down 13 ticks, 127.23. 30-year off a full point and 8 ticks, 155.14. Both the 10-year and the 30-year, folks, are backing down with lighter volume after they went topside once again yesterday with conviction. With that setting up, that's setting up a run for the highs. That also is saying that the market itself, the S&Ps, are not going to hold price right now, which is pretty wild. Euro. The euro is down 56 at 111. And the dollar is up 356 at 96.48. The dollar, once again, hasn't been able to hold higher price. Now, if we go over to the S&Ps first and take a look at the S&Ps, this is what you have happening. The SPY, we're up $1.44. You're coming into the downdraft from the 18th. That downdraft, folks, is a monster downdraft. We had 223 million shares. You've done 23 million. I expect what you're going to see out here is a failure once again. A failure would be a close under 194.67. We're at 194.30 right now. It had traded up as high as 194.83. I expect that high is already in for the morning. It's going to blow minds, no doubt about it. We go take a look at the NQs, the 3Qs. Same setup on the 3Qs. You're up 78 cents right now. We're at 104.58. 105.01 has been the high up here. I expect you're going to see a close under the 104.66. You're running into the aspect of 48 million shares. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line with gold is that you had wide price spread. You had accelerated volume, all of the above yesterday. What do you have today? You're rejecting lower price. You have 93,000 contracts thus far. And now what you're going to see is that you're going to be pushing into the higher swing point, which is 1156. This thing wants to take out. In fact, what it just did, you can make the point that it set up an additional ABC structure. So you have multiple ABCs inside it, and that's always a nice situation as you're coming into a swing high. Bonds, bond market is screaming that bonds still want higher price. Pretty wild, too. The bonds today, the 10-year bond goes down to 127.14, rejects lower price, has lighter volume. This bond market, man, is going to, it looks to me like the 10-year is not only going to get into the highs that were generated out here on August 24th, it looks like they want to blow those highs away. The number we're talking about is the 109.10 area. King dollar. Here you go, folks. King dollar, what do you have? King dollar, once again, couldn't handle its swing point. It's pretty amazing, too. The swing point that we're talking about is 96.92. Now, King dollar hasn't been able to get over a swing point since June 7th, August 7th, rather. Pretty amazing, too. Each and every time it's approached one, it hasn't even hit it. It's this particular time with Janet Yellen coming on, claiming that the Fed is going to go up on rates before the end of the year. That had anything and everything to basically get that dollar higher. Bottom line, what it actually did is just get everyone a chance to get shot in a huge way. This bounce that you have out here in the marketplace, it's not going to hold, folks. It's going to be pretty amazing watching this whole thing shake out. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. They have a great deal right now, folks, on bullion coins. Gold is $75 over spot. Silver is $7 over spot. That's all in, meaning delivered to your house. You can give them a call at 855-750-4051. Have a great day, safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.